Hello, welcome to Hyper Bikes. My name is Dylan. Congratulations on your new bike day. I'm here to give you some tips and tricks on how to assemble your bike and get riding. Today, we're going to assemble the Hyper Urban. First, we'll want to take the handlebars and install the expansion wedge into the fork. Make sure to pass the minimum insertion lines into the frame until you can't see them. Tighten the expansion wedge from the nut above with your hand and then secure it with your wrench. Install your seat post into the seat tube of the bicycle. Make sure to continue putting the seat tube until you can't see the minimum insertion lines and they're inside the frame. Use the nut and the lever on the seat post collar to clamp it until the seat post does not move when you push it side to side. Take the front wheel and open the axle nuts and push the security tabs to the outside of the axle. Take the front brake and open the caliper and release the cable from its catch to open the caliper wide so you can put the front wheel into the fork. Pick up the fork and slide it over the front axle. Make sure to get both fork legs over the axle. Rotate the safety tabs and put them into the fork leg and then tighten the nut on each side. To attach the front brake, grab both caliper arms and bring them close to each other and put the cable into the catch. Take your right pedal and secure it onto your right crank arm. Take note, your right pedal is normal thread. Start by threading it to the right with your hand, and after several revolutions, use your wrench to fully secure it onto the crank arm. Take the left pedal and install it into the left crank arm. Take note, the left pedal is the reverse thread. Start by threading it to the left with your hand, and after several revolutions, use your wrench to secure it onto the crank arm. Secure the front reflector by tightening with a Phillips head screwdriver until it is secure. Secure your rear reflector facing backwards with a Phillips head screwdriver until it is secure. Adjust your rear brake with a 5mm Allen key and make sure that your rear brake pad is in line with the rear rim. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to increase the tension on the caliper arms until both brake pads pull away evenly from the rim. Use the 5mm Allen key to adjust the front brake pads to make sure that they're aligned evenly with the brake track on the rim. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust the high limit screw, which controls your smallest cogs, and the low limit screw, which adjusts the lowest and biggest cogs. If your shifting is slow going into the bigger cogs, add tension by turning your barrel adjuster left, and then if it is slow, adjusting to the smallest cogs, turn your barrel adjuster right to decrease cable tension. Before each ride, make sure that your tires are properly inflated to the recommended tire pressure on the side of the tire, and that the wheels are secure with the axle nuts on the rear tires and the front. Check to make sure that your handlebars are secure by grabbing the front wheel in between your legs and trying to rotate the handlebars side to side. If the handlebar rotates, tighten the wedge bolt at the top of the stem, or if the bars roll, tighten the stem bolts at the front of the stem. Pick up the front wheel of the bike and drop it from several inches in the air, and note any feeling or sound of anything being loose. If it is loose, check your wheel, your stem, and your handlebars to make sure everything is secure. You can fill out your warranty card at the back of the manual. Your serial number will be located underneath the bottom bracket of the bicycle and mail it in to the address provided. Thank you for joining us today at Hyper Bikes. If you have any questions, please give us a call at our toll-free number and we can help you out. Now go enjoy your bike.